Hello everyone, I'm Kevin from Shenzhen KosinTec Corporation Limited. Now I'm in InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. And now I want to introduce our touch screen. This one is 43 touch screen with very slim bezel and P-cap touch. Yes, P-cap touch. It has a very flat back. It can installed very close to the wall. And we use the aluminum frame for this product. We have 32, 43, 55 inch and 65 inch of this product with P-cap touch. If you want to know more about this product, please visit our website www.kosintec.com. Thank you.